Good morning, Paul.
Hey, good morning.
How you doing?
Good.
You hear about that cruise, Royal Caribbean?
Yeah, I was glad I wasn't on it.
With the storm and all that? Oh, my God.
God. I've been on cruise ships that just kind of move a little bit and they get your full attention. This sounds like it was just, one of those perfect storms and just the worst case scenario unfolding.
An absolute nightmare.
Yeah.
So what do these people do? I mean, do they just take the refund the ship offers them, or can they do something else?
Yeah, they're gonna get the refund for the cruise, and they're gonna get a voucher for a future cruise. Again, if the brave of heart who are gonna maybe go outside of hurricane season.
Yeah, come on back out. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, they're not going to have any claims beyond that. The only technical claim, if they knew the storm was really bad, the cruise ship goes out, they decide to go in these dangerous waters, and then someone can prove this, sort of an emotional harm, or if they had some physical harm while on the cruise ship. But when you sign on to the cruise ship, you sign lots of documents, and one of them says that you do release the cruise ship from these type of
Oh, my God. So if I was actually sitting on that lawn chair we saw blowing around, I broke my finger, I can't do anything?
Well, yeah, because they kind of told you to go inside, and you didn't. Maybe you didn't go inside.
I didn't hear it. The speaker was broken in my room. I didn't hear it.
No, again, some of this video I got to see these 30-foot swells.
Yeah.
And I know it's a big ship, but it doesn't matter. You are rocking and rolling on that ship, and as some of the folks said, they were just happy to get back to shore, and it showed them kissing the ground and.
Yeah,
that's what I would do.
But basically, when you sign a lot of that stuff, when you're taking a boat ride, you're signing your they're not responsible thing.
You really are, and quite frankly, if you go out for 2 days, it's a 5-day cruise. You take a 2-day cruise, and it's great. And they turn around for the 3. Most cruise lines will, in fact, give you the compensation only for the 3 days. So you do lose the 2 days. So in this case, they're giving the whole cruise back simply because this thing never got underway.
Wow.
All right, so you get your money back. You're all good to go.
Good info.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Paul.
Hey, thanks, Paul.
Okay, guys.
All right. See ya.